Alright, so I decided to make some pictures right now so that some of you can see how bad I paint. So let's look at this, guys. I can't paint this. This is too complicated. This is too simple. I can paint this. Like I can draw this as, but I need scale and compass and I protector, and I don't have them. And these are, I don't know if I can draw them. These guys, never mind. This is too complicated for me. My small brains can't handle these. Who is this? Oh, a chest trap. I don't know what this is. This is how they jump and catch the ball. It's a football term. Look, football. I know. I'm very smart. I have to find some drawing so that I can make. Bro, this guy looks like he will just jump out and hit me in the face with that ball. Look at this, so aggressive. These guys will hit you in your face. Bro, this guy has two. No, he has one hockey stick. I thought, look at this. This is one hockey stick. I thought he had two hockey stick in his hand. I was like, how the fuck do you even play hockey like this? They're too complicated for me. My small brain can't draw these. First I have to think of. First I have to make a image in my brain when I look at these. Wait a minute. Let me find a suitable one. What is this? This guy is shooting. Mhm. But he's jumping. Won't his wheelchair break? Oh, look at this. This is in an angle so that he will not fall. Imagine being, differently abled or disabled, anything you call, and then you generally, you sit on a wheelchair with straight, this kind of wheelchair, and then suddenly you have to sit on this kind of wheelchair. This is too weird. Like suddenly you have to, for training you have to sit on different wheel. Maybe this is why they are called differently abled. I'm sorry, that was just a joke. um, this guy, I can probably draw him. Let's look at this guy. Right, so I will start drawing. First, it is his head. Okay, I fucked up. Anyways, who cares? It's not like you are here to see me drawing anyway. Nobody will see me drawing. These are his eyes. First, make a bald head for him, because so that I know where his head exists. I'm too bad at it. Let's look at this. This is his hair. These are some damn green hairs. If you want dye, if you want to dye your hair, you can just tell me. I will dye your hair with my pen. I'll make your hair green. And then these are his second eyes. No, fuck, I fucked up. Then I can't see his nose properly, but I will give him a nose because it's a human. I can't make a human without a nose. This is his lips. Alright. By the way, I saw how chocolate is made. So I thought it was some kind of synthetic, but I suddenly learned that chocolate is made from a fruit, a plant, and it's called a cocoa tree. And they just first they pick the fruit and then they take out seeds. I don't know what they take out. It's very weird. Like first you dry them, then first you dry them, and then you have to, what do they do? Let me remember. mm, look at this. First they dry the cocoa beans. Oh, it is like a pod, and then in that there were so many seeds or something like that, and then they dried it, then fermented it, and then make it wet, then again dry it, and then ground it in powder. Then what was later, then they just boiled it and it became chocolate. Like, I was like, how the fuck do you even make, how the fuck do the first person who decided to make chocolate even decide that all of this should be done? It looks like some guy from future came and found no alternative, so he made chocolate like this. Like, nobody can think of first drying and then again making it, watering it. Like, it's so weird. No normal human will, decide to throw water in something he has dried for a whole day or something. So that's how chocolate is made, and then you add sugar. By the way, chocolate has a lot of caffeine and it is healthy for you. I've heard that lot of caffeine, I mean, yeah, caffeine is a good thing, but it causes a very addiction, so that's when it gets bad. Otherwise, caffeine is a very good thing. It makes your brain relax and all. I have caffeine addiction. I drink a lot of coffee. But how is his legs? His legs are so weird. And look at him. No, his legs are normal. This leg is weird. This is a shoe. This is a fucking bad shoe. And maybe I can make some shoelaces so that, no, he doesn't have shoelaces because it's dark and not very visible. And then this is some. Alright. Fuck your legs. You have legs? I don't think so. He wants normal legs. I will not give you normal legs. This is, yeah. And then this leg goes like this. I got this inspiration to make a videos from those draw my life channels. They draw something like this, and then they draw it very cool. And they don't draw, they just make. Look at this, perfectly perfect. Those guys, there is a hand, and this hand is moving on the screen, and then this it goes like this, and there is a picture appears. Then the hand goes over this picture and this picture appears. It's like those channels, so I decided to draw it myself. Look at this. Do you remember that meme? The corporate wants to find you the difference between these pictures. The girl says they are the same pictures. Look at this, this is the same picture, and nobody can find a difference. Like, can you even find a difference? Yeah, let me erase the differences. Nobody can find a difference between these two pictures. Perfect. I give i give myself 10 out of 10.